Hey everybody, welcome back. I actually have something unique here. It's not really military surplus. It's an antique revolver that I won on an auction on gunrunner.com. And I've had this box for a few weeks now, and finally I'm getting around to unboxing it. So let's see what's in the box. This is something I've always wanted to have. It's a Pinfire Revolver, French, and I think I got a really good deal on it. I got it for under $200. Normally on Gun Broker you see them and they go, $600 or more. So it'll be a nice addition to the collection. Some paperwork. They always do a good job packing. Get these out of the way. But, yeah, the Pinfire revolvers are, they have their unique history. They were first, they were developed by a Frenchman by the name of Casimir Lafauche, I believe that's the way it's pronounced. If it's not, correct me. He patented the Pinfire cartridge, which had a brass base with a cardboard body, and that paved the way for the breech loading rifle. He actually developed later on the pepper box pistol. So, wow, look how well packed this is. It's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and get this all out of the way. I have some projects I'm working on this workbench. I have this old Brunswick rifle that I did a video on. That was my last video. Took it apart and cleaning it up. And one thing that I did, this is kind of like off the subject, but I took apart the lock and now I got to figure out how to put it back together. So if anybody has any instructional videos on how to put back a lock for a, I believe it's a 1841 Brunswick musket or rifle, please let me know. It's like a puzzle. I wish I'd never taken it apart. I found some videos on other locks, but not this one in particular. And just, it's all new to me. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this bubble wrap off. Very well packed. But these never really caught on in the United States. In 1861, actually 1857, the U.S. Ordnance officers took a look at the Pinfire Revolver and liked it, but didn't order any until 1861 at the outbreak of the Civil War. This is so nice. Gosh, I just love this. This is so cool. Look at this. It's really very ornately engraved. It must have been maybe some very rich person owned this gun. It's pretty neat. I have no idea how to use this thing. So the action works. I guess this thing opens. That's how you load it. And I guess the little pin sticks out here. These cartridges had a little pin. The cartridges had actually were dangerous because if you just press on that pin, it could ignite the charge in the cartridge. So they were like 12,000. Yeah, there were like 14,000 that were imported from France to the United States. About 12,000 made it to Union soldiers. Serial numbers 25,000 through 37,000, supposedly. And that was it for the United States. They favored, of course, the Colt, cap and ball revolvers, Smith & Wesson, you know. But this is neat. It's a nice addition to the collection for 190 bucks. You know, I think it's really a fine example of a Pinfire revolver. Just got to figure out how to use. Looks like there's a hinge here, so this must come down. Must be a way to open this. I don't know exactly how to do that, and I don't want to mess with it and break it. But if anybody has any additional information on these revolvers, please feel free to post. I always appreciate that. And there you have it. This is my first antique revolver. Antique revolver. First Pinfire. And I'm very pleased with it. It's nice. It's really elegant. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate the support. Thank you.